Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Clifford Pan Flamingo Power Wash. Back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Tampa, Florida. We're actually in Loops, north of Tampa. We're here for a full service. We're gonna be doing a house wash. We're gonna be doing a pool cage, pool deck, and we're gonna be doing a driveway. Sorry about my voice, man. I had a game last night. I know some of y'all know I play football still, man. And my boy from down south came out and looked at the game and surprised me, man. So this is a pool cage here. You know, got a lot of algae on it. We will have to water down all these plants, man. And you know, you gotta be careful with the plants. And I don't like moving them, man, because I had a pot break on me one time, so I had to let the customer know, you know, if she want me to clean that area, either she gonna have to move them or she gonna have to pay for me to move them, because I don't want to be liable for it. So we're gonna be wetting down all these plants before we start. The cage got trees next to it, so I won't be able to clean the back side of this side, but pretty much everything else can get clean. Somebody did wash the house before. It's weird because they couldn't reach that corner, I mean that middle section right there. Oh, this is clean, but this is not, so they probably couldn't shoot that far. We're gonna be doing a house wash. Let's walk this way. You see the cage is pretty dirty over here. That right there. Got the green screen going on. Let's check out the house. Oh yeah. Got real dirty soffits. The wall's not too bad, but look at the soffits, bad. We're gonna try to downstream this first to see what we got. If we gotta bump the mix up, we'll pull out the 12 volt, but we shouldn't have to. This is the driveway we're doing this, the driveway right here. All right, man, I got the hoses set up. Let's go get it. So water down the plants down. We're just gonna go ahead and hit this outside of this cage. Get rid of all that green. Look how bad this thing is. Pretty bad. All that algae up there. All right, man, let's go. Inside is all soaked up. So I always tell you guys, man, as soon as I get the inside done, I go right back outside and start rinsing so I can hit these plants too also. Let's go check out the outside. The inside, all they cleaned up. I gotta give it a good rinse. Check out the outside of the cage. See, I got a little stubborn spot right there. Look like it's soft enough for me to knock it off with the gun, but if not, nothing major. Sometimes what I do, I just grab a brush, you know what I'm saying, put a little SH on the brush and just swipe it 1 time, 2 times, and give it a rinse. You ain't gotta worry about no dwell time, none of that. So we're gonna start rinsing from this end here and work our way inside. All right, we got the pool deck done. Soft washed it. It's a painted deck, so it was easy. Get the algae up, cage cleaned up, nice. We're gonna jump on the house wash now. And under here, I'm just gonna use water, man. I'm not gonna spray chemicals on there. So make it easy on myself. I'm gonna start from this corner here and here and wrap around. Actually, I'm gonna start from this corner right here on the right side, wrap around, do this 2 sides, and then do the front side and this right side from the other way. Do 2 sides at a time, so you ain't gotta worry about the mix drying on you, or, you know what I'm saying, streaking the windows and none of that. To hit this back side, that's why the last person probably didn't do it right. The middle section is dirty. These trees, whatever, these plants on this side is blocking the access to shoot at a decent angle. So I'm gonna have to put my ladder probably where the door opening is, where the doors are, and just shoot it from the ladder so I can be higher, because I can't shoot, I can't see over these trees right here. They're in my way. Super tall. So I'm probably gonna put my ladder like right here and then just shoot it at that angle right there. All right, we're gonna tackle this last 2 sides of the house. As you can tell, I got a lot of dirt on these soffits, but downstream mix cleaned the rest of them up. So I feel like this is gonna be good too. But I gotta get on my ladder so I can shoot this back wall. Like I said, these trees are too tall. So easy access right here, shoot it over the top. You know, I'm good to go. All right, man, we at the upper room. We're gonna shoot this side here where the last person couldn't get. Should get that cleaned up. Just using my shooter tip. Using my shooter tip. Get all this up, man. Yes, sir. Good angle. Yes, sir. Go. Just like that, just like that. That spot is starting to go right there in the middle, under that middle window. I'm gonna let that dwell. I'm gonna start hitting this soft hits right here on this side, to my right. And then, yes sir. All right, we're back. So you can tell my spots are gone from that soffit that was there, dirty, in the middle, all gone. It's time to give it a good rinse. I was able to get that last window from the other side. But these last three I have to get from this side, from the soffits. That shooter tip getting out there, huh? I got that good rinse. Everything's nice and white. Let's get down and get this last side done so I can surface clean the driveway. Get our rinse on, man. Gotta get your rinse on. We are done with the job here. This is the driveway. Looking good. Sidewalks done. House is washed up. She's shining bright. My soffits right here was really bad. Got them cleaned up. And of course, you know, we did the pool deck and the pool cage. Pool cage, man. Look at that thing. Looking great. This ticket here was a bundle. We did a bundle package. Started at, it's 152. I started about 11:30, and this ticket here was 950. Cage, house wash, and driveway. All right, guys, man, I appreciate y'all checking the videos out. Thank you for all the support. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment below. I'm done for the day. Time to go get some lunch and relax. All right, man, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.